The rule of 72 is a quick mental math trick used to estimate how long it takes for an investment to double in value. It specifically helps you visualize the power of compound interest, which is how your money earns interest on its own accumulated interest over time. The math is simple. Just take the number 72 and divide it by your expected annual interest rate to see your doubling timeline. Keep in mind this is an estimate. It assumes your rate of return remains steady, which rarely happens in the real stock market. While exact calculations involve natural logarithms, the rule of 72 is usually accurate enough for basic retirement planning and goal setting. At a 6% return, your money doubles in roughly 12 years. You can see how the growth accelerates as the balance increases. Understanding how time and interest rates interact is one of the most important steps in managing your personal finances. Use this rule to set your long-term goals. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more simple finance explainers.